Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Meeks, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you about a course that I teach and invite you to join me. I teach 2301 Special Populations, and it is the second half of the semester. It's a flex course, and it starts in October. And I would love to have you join me as we study about all different types of learners. We look at how culture can impact our learners, how we can make sure that everyone feels included in our class. We talk about students with different learning disabilities or gifted and talented and how that works under special education. And we just really work with learning about how to get to know all of the learners in our classroom. And I hope that you can come join me. Another thing that we get to do is watch and observe teachers, and you can see how they work with their learners in their classroom. And it's a very interesting and exciting course to do. So I hope that you can come with me along this journey, and I'll see you in October. Thank you.